Enti enwa ene de Kwame Abronye ekopiem e wo Accra Circuit Court. Na busia finally the cause of Abronye arrest no Ghana police e de ababonten ama Abronye Dc no lawyers as abekasa. Na we just said this more or less as a selective justice because Kwame A-Plus na mho free adenti na machi Abronye. Won chiri mu na chere wadwen ama me e wo comment section. Aha Penyah block media. Best was say any day. Over like video no that my subscribe button so na click the notification icon latest updates na be chere wadwen dia ama me e wo comment section. Let's rush our bass and share for so enya bi ahwe. It last week nim and pop up on the internet as Ghana Police Service ehia Kwame Abronye Yoku IGP CID omu hia Kwame Abronye they've invited him Emma ebe hu e wo media say later about say Kwame Abronye kra no he's seeking asylum what I say but no anko siaga anko bebia e depart with that Sunday Anna Moses Abo awoye MPP National Youth Organizer please for echo ready in the field I say na omu ehwe Kwame Abronye komu you say bia oye National Youth Organizer no say Abronye so oye youth die ene bia Kwame Abronye akosie ewo Moses Abo eho no mo eton ko Moses echo ready in the field emom ko no ma hu Abronye emo no kra no e de abufu e be ka say no ma ye ne in fact entwai because you can't just read ana mobile card ma share mask please for me huru just as akrom eh di o ma you as am Robert you go wia obi as share mask eh huru eh tete na please no go ti obi atete de be ni wo Emma adechi Monday no ene ba news mo say Kwame Abronye police for action Mr. Mike.
Yeah, boss.
Sir. Okra no Moses Abo ebe kasa ye say media say go fan say we be na e ba ye ama that day na busia official statement on his arrest ama abonten but I was able to deduce it to understand and say ensem a Abronye Dc wakeka afa most especially the IGP Christian Tetayo no after the Kwachaba election I said even the day of a Kwachaba election now Abronye e wo life no in fact okay can't see me be na actually IGP before then let's say IGP no will label him as the most corrupt man in Ghana here I say well corrupt any other I say when I can't see me be na ana etia IGP it's because of that no ana bia ama Ghana police ekoche Abronye Dc as you say true and as true no we say enra ana dey Abronye Dc ekopiem e wo Accra Circuit Court
Abronye.
Misdemeanor person in this car. We are the new Is that criminal? Is he a criminal? One day, we will put more people in jail. Is that misdemeanor? Is that criminal? Misdemeanor case.
Let me say something.
Misdemeanor case.
Let me say something.
Is that how to behave? Is that how to behave? You see? Because of misdemeanor. This is the nonsense we are seeing in this country.
There is a clear
That's why we drop. If the felony is in misdemeanor, that's why we drop.
Look, there is a clear
Emma right after that no crowd we send the lawyers ebedi nkomo say ade e koso no de In fact, and pay Abronye lawyers everything come.
Mokoye no den na ekusi wo inside one.
Yes, good afternoon, and at least as it stands, I'm a bit okay because I've been able to get to know the whereabouts of my client. I think you cannot see the stress on my face. For once, we are seeing that legal proceedings are being complied with, and then the legal processes are being complied with. The accused person, or the suspect, now accused person, was arraigned before the court, and it appears the prosecution would just want him to be remanded. For whatever reason, you gave us an invite. We have responded to the invite, and the charges leveled against my client in court were just misdemeanors. They were just misdemeanors. And in law, you would know that, there are categories of offenses. Misdemeanor is the basic one, and that shouldn't be the basis why an accused person should be remanded. But trust me, when it comes to the judiciary, I respect the judiciary so much, particularly this court. I have never had an issue in this court. Whatever my lord says is final. The law lies in the bosom of what? The judge. He has given a ruling that my client should be remanded into custody and brought back to court on the 12th of September. What do we have to do? We will just wait until the 12th of September and then return back to court. But I'm very positive that, the law will take its course. Particularly for this court, I am very, very much certain that the law will take its course. Yes.
Who treatments near the
not at all. I don't know church said. Ye bano ye kase bia obia ye bibi obia di boni bi obia akwa ye bibi nti a wo say ye chino a misdemeanor de eno na ye basic kura wo mu misdemeanor no eno ye basic offense ye ban say ye chire offenses mu a and is a ban is obi misdemeanor charge na ye the Black Maria any police cars be 3 any day fana ebiana omo person omo no protection bin sin omo de ne ba sa de a mijaima Ghana for to be the judge in this case, but sir ekoye ya charge we omo de ma ye ne de I don't think say it is enough to ground the treatment omo de ma my client no, which is very, very unfortunate.
And so one argument I heard you making in the courtroom was the fact that prosecution said what wrote several letters seeking for asylum into your money bailer. It's likely say or client on standing. How true is this assertion?
That shall not lead me into temptation. Wada Roma, Hemranimni, a young Samuel Kosovo court today, na watu obo and those were legal arguments a course of court. And Mestre a honor dear, white kakra. The outcome of the day is my lord, I say, Yamfa, my client, and call police custody. Na Omonfanimra Efiada, and any no amount was our question.
Council now
Medin the Daniel Matiado, managing counsel in Chroma and Associates. Sure.
Now, Ghana police added the cause of arrest of Abronye A-Plus. It when you go to the social media pages of Ghana Police Service, almost making some set of posts, the cause of the arrest of Kwame A-Plus. This is what they have to say. Ghana Police arrest Mr. Kwame A-Plus for offensive conduct. The Ghana Police Service has today, 8th September 2025, has arrested Mr. Kwame A-Plus for offensive conduct conducive to the breach of the peace. He is currently in custody and we will put before court. And we that at the internet. Are there change of the court and run? And we make it this post. And I'm just say, court remands Kwame A-Plus. The Ghana Police Service today, 9th September 2025, arraigned Mr. A-Plus before the Accra Circuit Court. The court remanded him into police custody to reappear on Friday, 12 September 2025. There's a Ghana police force together with the Accra Circuit Court. I remanded Kwame A-Plus. I said, "Omutene court of crime." Guys, omutene court of crime. Now, omutene to Black Maria mu. I said, Black Maria is some kind of prison container. I said, we don't court sometimes. yen time for we ba let's say be say oh ye criminal bi say dey do ashep that black maria anymore e the alcohol and you know how Abronye was even transported to the Accra Circuit Court yesterday. It was more or less as a criminal. Yeah, the criminal call court. Sana say the Abronye call ye enwa. And I'm going to be actually say okay say I found same way na mo kan dia. Say Abronye wakasa when I go to IGP so the IGP attempt was it IGP or you corrupt any other there. And yeah, Kwame A-Plus as na mo free. And then I'm ya tia Kwame A-Plus because of the kai epumu. Ana Attorney General every address Ghana for on the issue of National Service Scheme scandal no. Aye gift or what remains na or in charge. Ebaye Attorney General every address Ghana for nyina ema emu no. I say Okofinga journalist be say oh there was a then journalist be na or Jessica try to cover the show, try to cover the issue any other day. And to Kwame A-Plus tell Kwame A-Plus oh asuma Attorney General can there. Oni me na kasa. Kwame A-Plus can you patch Attorney General Obobo na adwen tire because Attorney General corrupt one. Because or corrupt there be kwa no 500,000 series bi ye mu say Attorney General mu asem na Attorney General kwa no sanitation na almost sanitation levy bi na odi mu ntin because na ebe benefit no just say Kwame A-Plus I can say we be nan efa Attorney General ho e ma de chi ye Attorney General be another press conference a whole state Attorney General obi say we are corrupt. The only thing he could do was to just come and do a press conference. And that's so or also be sign it. That's what Kwame A-Plus can do. Only just our evidence. Yes, idea. Any onya can because or not Attorney General or you clean any other day. Idea chi Anna Kwame A-Plus is buy. I said that is not true. What I said was because according to my information, you went to beg for 500,000 cedis that you were going to use it to bribe the appointment committee of parliament. And for your information, you are not the only one. If you are an old fool, I will reset your brain. Stupid man. Kwame A-Plus was able to label a whole state Attorney General as an old fool. I must catch you so think as for resetting the brain. Emma then also the stupid man et out to. I did we uncle see baby. A whole Attorney General, Kwame A-Plus was able to label him as corrupt one, old fool two. I will reset your brain. Yes, and I just say the Attorney General do not dream. Where children not dream your dream. If you come with practice, I send attention to being able to dream or very resetting brain. Oh, we not such a stupid man at all. And Kwame A-Plus, yanchino. But Ghana Police Service actually will say, same way you see in Abronye Kayan, I know more aquachina too.
I take over because all the reports. Every quarter ban say MPP is winning this by-election. Be there to say, Obi Obakatro say, a quarter bako green, Biano, Senyan to Trasem, and Ombeya, a quarter and Timinko green. Because Andy si people ekito much that say. So man you sue militants and vagabond boys now. Woman so money dear and to trust them number yet dear show more you no mama because nye no dear omunidi omo we are so on buy no say nyen to trust them nen kwasia de any macho man sama woman ma o ma wo mo no woman ni kwa na on be fa so ye ahwe omo so omo guso wo ko produce out that time at by 1:30 p.m. Can you buy in 1-1? But 1:30 p.m. in the about one no. I give me and this is strategic plan. They say police if one would be bring Ghana for any sworn. Say security are tied to a honor sanity. By 1:30 p.m. a kwana and this Bafaswa winning a Kotia by election and I make them we as have strategic plan wenu. Inspector General of Police any and this in a plan here. You be 30 minutes per number sorako. The Inspector General of Police any and this your plan say by 1:30 p.m. meet here Joseph Yamin Timbi, meet here IGP Timbi and IGP or attending and this strategic meeting after a Kotia by election. Yes. Tete Yono attending and this strategic meeting after a Kotia by election. Meet here Joseph Yamin Timbi, meeting Musafa Bandi Timbi, meeting the national chairman here at Timbi. And I'm planning, yes, say, police if one idea, what the bring crop for Niswa. One, Sabaya, MPP for Ebi and visible forces to be on your denko. And the American catch MPP for Monty. Number 2, about 130 na ya. Wamo ba flowers here, na police for no. Ebi anopana sa okoya uba hunsa police for na ye manya etumfi say hoye okay a different 130 kono plan ni say IGP ba withdraw police for no over reduce number na ewo polling station biano police present and police visibility ewo police station biano over reduce number no and to reduce all free as into a different 130 kono wo police for no do do ni biem our various polling stations no na yakira ne say obiemu ama andisi for na wo team say ballot box wo team say ballot papers into transem for na ye hu o mo otisi ano na o ma free as take over na sa 130 ho kono e na afenyo marking opa african 20 ho and anabi up Africa 120 ho because different 1:30 to 3 p.m. no near na no pay there a free show a different 1:30 3 p.m. to 5 why you be close to punu afena NDC that is the timer we must set it up NDC vigilantes for now mo want to see no ba be take over all the polling station. Because NDC who say woman lose wabano until so mu use woman mrantie no na police for no reduce woman visibility our polling station no IGP timbie na wadiatum IGP neba or withdraw some of the police for no from the polling station and to hani afro free polling station hona kose ni reduce numbers no sebe ya and to trust them for na and this for do megu no on betimanya akonya access ballot boxes attacking before na duru counting na amanfo di hu afri polling station ho no mo yede wo mo ko now Mr. Inspector General of Police Mr. Inspector General of Police IGP awaba Ghana abakosemu a one or you corrupt on Sunday you soon not gonna wo fam aye tete yehunu IGP for my banyina near not gonna wo fam on you soon not doing no ye corrupt aye tete yehunu Mummy Sam say okasa kwatia by election obi obaya to trust him biano obache no meboa yate enayi senka mema bronya na mekwaka say NDC MPB senka me kwato na nka ne kwanto on be kwa by election ahwefo etimi abo na me nyane o me omo dwane o me ma bronya eja wadwa godo enkan me ye wura me o date no dabi onkan yeah 550 million no wom say me need right to question yes
Mr. Sante media ma ye ho adwuma ye ne fe ne fa to sra menkan
me need right to say me president sika na wa fa no wo hi
ye ne fe
that is the Ghana we are build me see international community nyina be show mumu say once bia no be si kro mama o mo di arora no o ma demonstration me da me no o mo nim say physically and spiritually o mo kan to ko o mo lusu nti ba bia o mo keka ko ne de ma dwiri o ma gu from flat
Mr. Sadi Pacho ready now they are toso Abronye na BNI for eso mato mo sa friend say wase sika bi ye musa president Mahama sika na e wo henfa
o mo ntiase
BNI for say wo mra enti ready about Mr. Sadi Pacho
nan wada wo frese BNI for nchim no Dabio Gordon nan wo share labor union for what statement o make here o say o minor crime scene yes because or minor sikano was criminally used.
Yes.
Yes, I know.
What punitive criminality?
But what me no ko bia na ho enye yie.
I was a beer now.
What do you call beer now?
Impugning say a crime scene.
I was a Ghana crime scene.
What are you doing in a crime?
So what we superintendent over the crime scene.
Yes.
And one of that crime scene now.
And I'm say, or say or mine is kind of criminals be a use. Until I know the director of investigation. What now, Kroma? Atrone Yatiana a national time and car say, wow, Uber won't set drip a machines, you know.
Mon question,
money pakro. Director of investigation. One more.
Okay, any until 21st February 2025. And then a Benra.
Oh, you're trapping.
Maybe tell you what done. Said review. And one was say, DSA. Okay, Kwame Bafo at Abronye. Bruno Regional Chairman, New Patriotic Party, DSA, invitation. I have been instructed by Director of Investigations of the National Intelligence Bureau to invite you to meet him on Wednesday, 26th February 2025 at 10 hours at Kawukudi in the Greater Accra region to assist the Bureau to investigate allegations we leveled against His Excellency President John Dramani Mahama. In the said allegations you leveled during an interview or movement in the morning, a breakfast show or movement team hosted by Kwaku Deru, you, Kwame Bafo at Abronye, alleged that John Dramani Mahama is hoarding 550 million cedis intended for the dismissed appointees at the Jubilee House. You further accuse the administration of corruption in the recruitment and revocation processes. Yours faithfully, Bono Regional Commander, Mr. Kweku Aferi. It's Krata, the Abre, Pamba Fabron, say, Sika, 550,000. Okay. Mr. Pacho Medasi. Hey, what I mean, oh, I thought a joke.
What are you?
Yeah,
me, son of Bisa say, madness. A nipa over 100,000, eh? I revoke woman and I tell me day. Why the money day? Maybe I'm asking again, say, Mr. President. Sikana Nadu did Joseph for 3 years uncle for one cano. I have 550 million. Where the money? Where's the money? Massa, met me bizarre 100 times. Now me can say, my holding the money.
Obi to actually watch Amame. Ewa comment section. Aha Penyah Block Media. Accra.